Good Monday morning. I've been taking photos of myself. Talking about how come it ain't working, but I didn't have it on video. So Monday morning, everybody. You're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I hope so because it's Monday regardless. So it's time to get up and get going. So got the birthdays today. We got Diane Crosby, Belle fan. Happy birthday to you. And then we got Sarah's cousin, Amy Dawkins Bird. Happy birthday. You know, y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your birthdays and celebrate and treat yourself to a little special day. So, hey, the old pool about to get ready to be filled. Jared and I got it ready. I'm turning the water into it tomorrow. And, the old 55 plus year old pool, we built that. I'll be 65 in November, and I was 9 years old when we built it. So it's 50, ever how old that is. So 55 plus. So we started when I was like 7 and 8 and all. But anyway, the old pool, we play in it. We have a good time. A lot of people have enjoyed it. So it's getting there. So. Hey, Miss Lil, missed you yesterday, but I had some yard work to do and working in Sarah's garden and the flower beds and the mowing the grass and everything and all. So hard to keep up, but have a wonderful Monday. Enjoy it. Have a great day, and here's a bell ring.